Hi viewers, I'm Nadeem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farooq Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 10, exercise 10C, book D3, trigonometrical ratio. This exercise is divided into two parts. Today we will discuss part number 1. Question number 1. You can see in your textbook, find the values of x in each of the following triangles, giving your answer correct to 4 significant figures. So the given figure is in A part, you can see here, that is your given figure. In this figure, this side is x and this side is 14 and the angle is 28 degree. So we have to find the value of x. It means one you take known side and the other is uh, uh, unknown side. X is unknown and this side is known to us, and this angle, whenever you take this angle, it means in front of it is your opposite angle. So we know that opposite by adjacent is known as tan. So you can take the ratio, that is tan 28 degree. So you have taken the ratios between known and unknown sides, so you can find the value of x. By using this, you can find, how can you find? You need the value of x, so using cross multiplication. But before cross multiplication, what is the value of tan 28, which is equal to 0.531709 for 3 approximately. So you need the value of x, so by using cross multiplication, 0.531709 multiplied by 14, the value of x is that is 7.443932 but you need 4 SF, up to 4 SF, so 7.44. so you can add 1 in this term, because it is greater than 50%, so it becomes 4. So the value of x is, you can see, that is your result. Now in coming to the B part, in B part, once again another triangle is given to you. That is, in B portion, triangle is like this. You can see here 61 degree, and this one is your x, and similarly here is your 17, and that is your 90 angle. This block, this square known as, shows that it is a right angle triangle. So one is unknown side and the other is known side, so you take the ratio. So we know that is adjacent by hypotenuse is your cos. So when you take this angle, so it means that in front of this angle it is your perpendicular side, which is also known as opposite side. So you can take the ratio like this, that adjacent, that is your adjacent by hypotenuse is known as cos theta. So here theta is 61, cos 61 degree. Similarly, by using cross multiplication, you need the value of x, so you can write as therefore the value of x is 17 divided by cos 61 degree. So 17 divided by cos 61 is 0.48480962 with the help of calculator. So you divide it, you will get 35.06531079, but we need up to 4 SF, so 35.0. so here 50 are above 50, so you can add 1 here, so it becomes 7. So your answer is up to 4 SF is your required result. So that is your value of x. Similarly, coming to the C portion, in C portion, given triangle is like this. In your book you can see that is your given triangle, that is your 90, here is x, This one is 37.5. Here is your 5 1 5, that is 15 degree. So known side and unknown side, so what is the ratio between them? So you can see here, the unknown side is your perpendicular. In when you take this angle in front of it, here is your opposite side, which is known as perpendicular side, that is your hypotenuse. So you can take the ratio that is opposite by hypotenuse is known as what we have discussed yesterday, that is this ratio is known as sine. So sine 15 degree, we need the value of x, so using cross multiplication you can get that is sine 15 degree multiplied by 37.5 is equal to x. So what is the value of sine 15? So the value of sine 15 is very much lengthy because your calculator gives complete value, so we can write up to reasonable extent, that is 45 multiplied by 37.5. So the value of x is 9.7057141191, but we need up to 4 SF, so 9.70, so you add here 1, so it becomes 6. So that is your result is up to 4 SF, that is 4 significant figure. So that is your required result. Now coming to the D portion. So in D part, you can see the given figure like this. You can see here is your 90, that is your x, that is your 15, and this angle is 67 degree. So you can take the ratio, for example, that is your known side, unknown side, and that is your unknown side. Unknown is x, known is your 15. So when you take this angle, it means in front of it, it is opposite. So opposite by hypotenuse, because it is your adjacent. So opposite by, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse, is known as sine. So you can take the ratio sine 67 degree. So find the values, that is what is the sine 67. You know that its value is, but we need the value of x, so you can write as that is sine 67 degree multiplied by 15 by using cross multiplication. Here is your the value of x. So you have to find the value of x only. Just to find the sine 67 with the help of calculator, you can get 0.9205 04853 multiplied by 15 is equal to x. So the value of x is 13.807578. So the value of x is up to 4SF 13.80, that is greater than 50 or 50%, so it means you have to add here 1, so it will become 13.81. so that is your result up to 4 SF, that is 4 significant figure. So that is your result. Now coming to the next part, that is your E part. In E portion, the given triangle is like this. You can see that is your given triangle. Here is your 90, and this one is your 31 degree, and this one is your 15.5. So we have to find this side, that is your x. So unknown side and known side, you have to take the ratio in between them. So when you take this angle in front of it, it is always considered to be the opposite angle, which is known as perpendicular. So that is your adjacent. So perpendicular by adjacent, you will get what? So that is your perpendicular by adjacent, known as tan. So perpendicular by adjacent is known as the ratio, that is tan 31 degree. So you need the value of x. By using cross multiplication, you can write as the value of x is 15.5 divided by tan 31 degree. So putting the values, so that is 15.5 divided by, what is the value of tan 31? By using calculator you can get 0.0860619 approximately. So the value of x is, after division you will get 25.79 633,198, but we need up to 4 SF, that is 25.8. You can here, that is, it become 8. So after adding, because here the preceding term is greater than 50%, so it becomes 8, and at the last left nothing, so it becomes 0. So 25.80 is your required result up to 4 SF, that is your required result. Now coming to the F part, another similar type of triangle is given to you. It is actually, how can we solve this? We have a basic formula, that is, what is the ratio of sine, what is the ratio of cos and tan. These three things are basic things due to which we can find. Now another triangle, that is your F portion. The given triangle is like this, and you can see here in your book, that is your 90 angle. So this 90, and here is your 81 degree. This side is your 47.8, and this one is your x. So we have to find, that is, what is the ratio. We know that when we take this angle, so it means that is your opposite side, which is known as perpendicular. So the ratio between perpendicular to the this is your unknown side to the adjacent is known as that is tan. So it means tan 81 degree. So by using cross multiplication, 47.8 divided by tan 81 degree, so you have to find the value of x. So you can write as, so only by using calculator, tan 81 gives you the result. What is, you can see that is tan 81 will give you 6.3137511515. So you should divide it, so the value becomes 7.570776247, but we need the value up to 4 SF, that is 7.57. so here is 0, add it, so it becomes 1. So write neatly, that is 7.571 up to 4 SF. So 4 SF is your 4 significant figure, that is your result. Now coming to the another figure is given to you, that is your G. This figure is a little bit simple one, that is you can see. So here is your 90, this side is 12, this side is your unknown, that is x, and this angle is 53 degree. So we have to find the value of x. So you should take the ratio, that is, if you take this angle, so it means that is your opposite angle, which is known as perpendicular, and that is your adjacent angle, which is known as base. So base by hypotenuse is known as what? Base by hypotenuse. So base by hypotenuse is known as cos. So cos 53 degree. So cross multiplication, the value of x, that is your cos 53 degree. So what is the value of cos 53? So you can find with the help of calculator. So what is the value? So the value is 0.601815 So after division you will get 19.939617, but we need up to 4 SF, 19.9. So add here, it becomes 4. 19.94 is your required result up to 4SF. So that is your required answer. Now coming to the last part of this question. So that is your H part. In this portion, a diagram is given to you, that is your given triangle having here 90, this side is 15.72, and this one is your X, and this angle is 36 degree. So once again you should think about it. This is your known side, unknown side, and what is the ratio. So that is your perpendicular. When you take this angle, it is opposite side, which is known as perpendicular. So perpendicular by hypotenuse is known as sine 36 degree. So you need the value of x, therefore the x is 15.72 divided by sine 36 degree. So 15.72 divided by, what is the value of sine 36? You should use a calculator. Without calculator it is not possible. So it will give you 0.587785 and 85, that is 252. So after division you will get 26.74446143, but we don't need here up to 4SF, that is 26.74, because this is less than 50%, we cannot add in the preceding term. So that is your value up to 4SF. So that is your required result. So by the grace of God we have completed exercise 10C part 1. Now in next lecture we will cover part 2 of this exercise. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.